So welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I do my brows. So first things first, I take a pencil. So let me tell you, you can use a pencil, you can use powder, you can use a pomade. There's a lot of different stuff you can use when doing your eyebrows, but I prefer using the pencils. Sometimes I usually switch up and I'll go buy some pomade, or it just all depends on how I'm feeling. But lately I just been feeling like a pencil. And guys, you can find this pencil at the dollar store, you can find it at Walmart, just any, you can even find it at the beauty store. Like, get you a pencil if you don't have one. So yeah, first things first, I am going to start by, let me put my mirror like this. It can be like this. Oh, I thought my camera's about to fall. Okay, so first things first, I use my pencil, make sure it's sharpened or whatever, and I usually like do like this to get any excess oil off. I get any excess oil off my eyebrows just to make sure, you know, we're working with a clean canvas. I'm just playing. We're working with a clean canvas. I feel like my lips are dry. We're about to put some shea butter on these lips. I can't find my lip gloss. And keep them moisturized. Okay, no, for real. Let's do this. So I get my pencil and then I start to outline my eyebrow. Like, I go from the bottom and I'll just outline it the shape that I want. Y'all wanna know what's crazy? I changed my eyebrow shape. Like, it ain't nothing. Like, one day I might be feeling like a high arch girl. The next day I just probably want the little yeah. But today we're gonna do the high arch. Not high, I don't know what we're about to do, to be honest. My eyebrows, they be having a mind on its own. So we gonna do whatever they want us to do. So I'm still filling it in like this, and then I usually stop like right here, like where my eyebrows stop at. I usually like stop right there, then I start on the other one. It's time for me to get my eyebrows done, but I don't really like getting my eyebrows done by other people no more, because like they be either taking too much off or barely even taking anything off. And I'm like, yo, maybe I just need to do it myself. They be giving me I don't know, y'all. I just don't be messing with it. They say your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters and not twins. But aren't twins sisters? I'm just playing. I know what they're talking about. But yeah. Okay, so I stopped like right there. I take an eyebrow brush, y'all, and I use a brown eyeshadow to kind of like set it, because sometimes when you're using a pencil, like towards the end of the day, your eyebrows can get greasy. Like, I don't like that. That's one good thing about using a pomade. When I used to use the pomade, my eyebrows were never greasy. But I usually go and set it with a brown eyeshadow, and I'm using this one right here from my Too Faced Best Year Ever. Just like an old palette. Right here I'm using the shade Don't Give a Fudge, cause we don't give a fudge. Okay, so I get the brush and I kind of like stroke it like this to just like set it, and it gives it a matte look. It don't even look shiny like it did at first. Okay, the other side. Every day is like I'm learning to do my eyebrows. So for people that don't do their eyebrows because they feel like they're not gonna look right, y'all have to practice. Like, some days I be feeling like it's my first time doing my eyebrows because of how the outcome be looking. But don't beat yourself up. Keep trying. Keep trying. Yeah. I don't even like this really. But we gonna fix it. I'm just gonna drag this down like this. Y'all, one thing I used to really love to do was to do like the unibrow thing and then take my concealer and just stick it in the middle and it's like perfect even. But I don't really like doing that anymore because I still used to have a unibrow and I ain't like that. Okay, so next, if I'm not wearing any eyeshadow and I'm doing like a natural beat, I don't use concealer to do my eyebrows. I actually use my foundation to clean it up. And this foundation, this foundation right here, the Huda Beauty foundation, it's already have like a very thick consistency. So that's why I like it. Because you know how some foundations are really watery. For instance, the Maybelline foundation, you know how it's like watery. But this right here is not watery at all. Like it's very thick. So it's like perfect for my brows, like to conceal them. But I'm not concealing them. I'm foundationing them. I don't know the name of my brushes, so bear with me. So I got this brush right here, and I'm just gonna clean under my brows. Slow and steady. And then I drag it down. But y'all can use y'all concealer though. Like, don't get me wrong. Use your concealer. Don't use no concealer that's like 3 shades lighter than your skin color, because you're gonna be looking a hot mess. But slow and steady. Definitely Lancer race. Say what kids show wear. Okay, so I'm about to just outline my top part just like we did the bottom. Ooh, I'd be so scared to touch it, y'all. I'd be so scared because it'll wipe it off. Okay. Okay. To the other side. Alright guys, so that's it. That is how I do my eyebrows. And if you guys see the excess foundation, you can get a towel or you can get like makeup wipe and wipe those areas off if you're going to just wear like a natural face and you just want to do your eyebrows. You can do that. But if you're going to be doing a full face or just still put makeup on anyway, I suggest you can just leave that on there, because as soon as you put your foundation on there, it's gonna blend in together. So it's all up to you. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. And thanks for watching.